Garlic. The very word conjures up images of pungent aromas and sharp, spicy flavors. This culinary chameleon, a staple in kitchens around the world, is known as much for its versatility as for its distinct taste. But have you ever encountered its more mysterious cousin, black garlic? At first glance, the difference is striking. Regular garlic, with its pearly white cloves, stands in stark contrast to the ebony hues of its aged counterpart. One bite, and the distinction becomes even clearer. Gone is the sharp, almost fiery bite of raw garlic, replaced by a mellow sweetness reminiscent of molasses and balsamic vinegar. Black garlic is not a different variety but rather the product of a fascinating transformation. It's the result of regular garlic undergoing a meticulous aging process. A metamorphosis that not only alters its appearance but also unlocks a depth of flavor unimaginable in its raw form. This intriguing transformation is what we'll explore in the following sections, delving into the science behind black garlic's creation, and comparing its health benefits with those of its more common relative. The creation of black garlic is a testament to the power of time and controlled heat. It's not a process of fermentation, as some might believe, but one of slow, gentle aging under specific conditions. Imagine whole bulbs of garlic, carefully arranged, spending weeks in a carefully controlled environment of heat and humidity. Over these weeks, a fascinating transformation takes place. The naturally occurring sugars and amino acids in the garlic react with each other. This process, known as the Maillard reaction, is what gives black garlic its distinctive color, aroma, and flavor. The result of this meticulous process is a clove that is soft and almost chewy in texture, a far cry from the firm crispness of raw garlic. The flavor profile undergoes an equally dramatic shift. The pungent heat is replaced by a mellow sweetness, with notes of balsamic vinegar, fig, and even hints of licorice. This transformation is not just about taste. The aging process also significantly increases black garlic's antioxidant content, making it a nutritional powerhouse. Regular garlic, in its raw or cooked forms, has long been celebrated for its potent health benefits. Central to these benefits is Allison, a sulfur-containing compound responsible for garlic's characteristic pungent aroma and taste. Allison is released when garlic cloves are crushed or chopped, and it boasts a range of impressive health-promoting properties. One of the most well-known benefits of garlic is its ability to boost the immune system. Studies have shown that Allison can stimulate the activity of white blood cells, which are our body's first line of defense against infections. This immune-boosting effect is one of the reasons why garlic has been used traditionally to fight colds and flu. Garlic is also a good source of antioxidants, compounds that protect our cells from damage caused by free radicals. Free radicals are unstable molecules that can damage DNA and contribute to aging and various diseases. Antioxidants help to neutralize these harmful molecules, protecting our bodies from their damaging effects. While regular garlic boasts its own set of health benefits, black garlic takes the nutritional game a step further. The aging process, besides transforming its taste and texture, also increases its concentration of beneficial compounds. One of the most notable changes is the significant increase in antioxidants, even surpassing the levels found in fresh garlic. Among these antioxidants is s-allyl cysteine, SAC, a compound not found in significant amounts in regular garlic. SAC has been linked to a range of health benefits including improved heart health, brain health, and even potential anti-cancer properties. This makes black garlic a powerful ally in combating oxidative stress and promoting overall well-being. Beyond SAC, black garlic is also rich in flavonoids, another group of potent antioxidants. Flavonoids are known for their anti-inflammatory properties, which can be beneficial in managing chronic diseases such as arthritis and heart disease. The higher concentration of antioxidants, coupled with the presence of unique compounds like SAC, makes black garlic a nutritional powerhouse. It's important to note that research on black garlic is still ongoing, and more studies are needed to fully understand its potential health benefits.